Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to ImageNiche Videos. I'm Roy, and today, we're diving into the delicious world of American beef sliders. Get ready to uncover some unknown facts about these bite-sized wonders that have captured the hearts and taste buds of many. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our mouth-watering content. Introduction to beef sliders. Now, when we think of American comfort food, one thing that immediately comes to mind is the classic beef slider. These mini burgers have become a staple at parties, barbecues, and even high-end restaurants. The term slider is believed to have originated from the Navy. Others claim that the term comes from the way the burger patty is slid onto a bun. Whatever the origin, one thing is for sure: sliders have a fascinating history. Now, let's talk about the beef patty itself. While traditional sliders are made with ground beef, there's a lot of room for creativity. Some chefs experiment with different types of meat, seasonings, and toppings. It's all about finding that perfect combination that makes your taste buds dance. Did you know that sliders vary from region to region in the US? For example, in the Midwest, you might find sliders topped with grilled onions and pickles, while in the South, you might encounter sliders with a touch of barbecue sauce. It's a testament to the diverse culinary landscape across the country. They've become a canvas for culinary creativity, with chefs experimenting with exotic ingredients and unique flavor profiles. While they're commonly known as sliders, in some regions, they go by different names. In the Midwest, you might hear them called sliders, while in the Northeast, they're often referred to as belly bombers or steamers. It's interesting how the same delicious treat can have such diverse names. Cheese or no cheese? That's the big question when it comes to sliders. While many enjoy their sliders with a slice of cheese, the original White Castle sliders were served without. Believe it or not, sliders have played a role in social and economic history. They became known as the Taste of America and provided a bit of comfort during challenging times. Guinness World Record sliders. Did you know that the largest batch of sliders ever made was created in 2014? A team of chefs in Michigan set a Guinness World Record by cooking a whopping 48,000 sliders in just 8 hours. Now that's a lot of mini burgers. Slider eating contests. If you thought eating competitions were reserved for hot dogs, think again. Slider eating contests have gained popularity in recent years. Competitive eaters from around the world gather to see who can devour the most sliders in a set amount of time. When it comes to ordering sliders, there's a bit of slang that you might not be aware of. Asking for sliders all the way means you want them with all the available toppings. So, the next time you're at your favorite slider joint, try using some slider lingo to impress your friends. Slider art. Sliders aren't just a treat for the taste buds, they can also be a feast for the eyes. Some chefs take slider presentation to a whole new level, turning these mini burgers into edible works of art. It's proof that food can be both delicious and visually stunning. Slider health craze. Here's a twist. Did you know that sliders have found their way into the health and fitness scene? With the rise of low-carb and gluten-free diets, some restaurants now offer sliders with lettuce buns as a lighter, carb-conscious alternative. It's a creative way to enjoy sliders guilt-free. Slider-inspired fashion. Sliders have inspired more than just our taste buds. The iconic slider shape has made its way into fashion and accessories. From slider-shaped earrings to burger-themed clothing, there's a whole world of slider-inspired fashion out there. Who knew burgers could be so chic? Slider festivals. If you're a true slider enthusiast, you might want to mark your calendar for one of the many slider festivals held around the United States. These events celebrate all things sliders, featuring creative recipes, live music, and, of course, plenty of sliders to go around. It's a burger lover's dream come true. Slider artistry. Prepare to be amazed by the artistry of slider toppings. Some chefs take pride in creating intricate designs and patterns using various ingredients. From edible flowers to precision-cut vegetables, these sliders are a testament to the creativity that can be found in the world of culinary arts. Slider-scented candles. For those who can't get enough of the slider aroma, there are slider-scented candles available. Yes, you heard it right. Now you can enjoy the delicious scent of sliders without even taking a bite. It's a quirky and fun way to bring the essence of sliders into your home. And there you have it, even more unknown facts about American beef sliders. I hope you enjoyed learning about the quirky history and fun facts surrounding these bite-sized wonders. If you have any other interesting slider facts or stories, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more delicious content. And I'll catch you in the next video. Happy eating!